Here's how we get 10 to 50 qualified calls into our clients' calendars every single month from their ideal clients. If you are a coach or a high ticket service provider, you want to watch this video till the end because I will be sharing my full strategy on how we get qualified booked calls into our own calendar every month and into our students and our clients' calendars. Hi, my name is Signa and I run a marketing agency where we help coaches and high ticket service providers get booked calls into their calendars on automation every single month. So I'm going to share with you now our full strategy on how we do that and how we get 10 to 50 booked calls every single month into our clients' calendars, into our own calendar, and into our students' calendars. And the number varies because it really depends on your business and it depends on how much you will use that strategy, right? So the full strategy is in here. This is how it looks like. What we do is we launch, in the first phase, we launch very low cost ads that are calling out your ideal clients and calling them out when they have a specific problem. We're going to use those ads to build a relationship with them by giving value and demonstrating that you can help them and building your authority. This is really important part because if you think about yourself, you're not going to give £5,000 to a stranger. You really need to know that they can do what they say they can do. You need to know them and you have to show your face and your business to your clients multiple times before they are ready to buy from you or your brand. So this is what these first phase ads are doing. They're really low cost that you can start running them for only £5 a day. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to start building your audience and start having conversations with your ideal clients. You are also going to see that some of the people start booking calls with you from those first ads because they are impulse buyers and they know that they have a problem and you can help them immediately. Now, what happens after that in phase 2 is when we take all of the audience that we created in this first phase and we start retargeting them, showing them your offer and overcoming objections. Because there's two types of buyers. There are logical buyers and there's impulse buyers. So the impulse buyers we already got in the first phase usually. But on the second phase, we're really talking to the logical buyers who need to see proof, who need to know that you're a real business and need a reminder that to press the button below and book a free call with you. So that's what we do in our second phase. And there we see that people are converting to calendar bookings. One of the best things that happens when you run this type of funnel is that when you show up on those booked calls, on those sales calls, they are already qualified and ready to buy from you. So you don't have to convince them on your pricing. They're not going to lowball you or anything like that because we've done all of this work before, qualifying them, making sure that they are able to afford your services and making sure that they have the actual problem that you need them to have to become your client. Now, if you want to learn how to implement this full strategy in your own business, then we have a membership program that is called Build, Automate, and Profit, where we help people build this system out themselves. It's super low cost and it's extremely affordable because I want you to be able to grow your business so you could help more people. In the membership, we're also giving all of the templates and everything that you need. Plus, you get monthly coaching sessions with myself where we talk more about this strategy and how to implement it in your business. If you want to get 50% off on your first month, then leave me a comment below and I'll send you the discount link below. But if you know that you do not have the time, you don't want to learn how to do it yourself and you want someone to just do it for you, then please make sure that you leave me a comment below or send me a DM and book in your free strategy session with my agency where we can literally write out the full strategy for you and see if we can implement this in your business.